Hello, students. Prayers and faith both are invisible. Both have so much of energy to convert impossible to possible. Have faith in God, and this difficult time will pass away very quickly. Let us continue the Unit 3 of Mystery of the Missing Cap by Manoj Das. Hope you have gone through this previous unit. Now I will start the third unit. Let me recall you. In the previous units, we have seen how the villagers of Manoj Das' maternal uncle welcomed the minister Babu Veer Kishore. How they were very particular about all the arrangements and welcomed the minister. In this unit, you will see how an extraordinary incident happened and all were worried and confused. Let us see what happened. Look at the book. Unit 3. Was the narrator curious about the minister? Narrator Manoj Das was curious about the minister. Curious, anxious, deep interest. Was the narrator curious about the minister? Yes, the narrator was very curious to know about the minister. What did he do to satisfy his curiosity? Curiosity means desire to know. What did he do to satisfy his curiosity? He went to the window and peeped through the window to see what the minister was doing. Read the following unit of the text and note how an extraordinary incident that took place before the eyes of the narrator made him speechless. An extraordinary, unusual incident that took place before the eyes of the narrator. The narrator was peeping through the window, and at that moment an extraordinary incident happened and which made him speechless. He could not know what to do and how to act. Look at the text. While I stood near the window, while little Manoj Das was standing near the window and peeping through the window to know about the minister, where the minister was sleeping, suffering the first shock of disillusionment. Disillusionment means to stop believing that something is good. Disappointment. He was very disappointed of my life regarding the great man. The great man, Babu Veer Kishore. For the minister was snoring like an ordinary man. Snoring means making sound while sleeping. Ghungudi mariba taku kuhanti, snoring. So he was very surprised. While the writer was peeping through the window, he was surprised and disappointed to see the minister, whom he and his friends regarded as a great man. And the minister was snoring like an ordinary human being. Speechless I was already, and the incident rendered me witless. He was speechless. He could not understand what to do, what not to do. And I was already, and the incident rendered me witless. And this incident of seeing the minister snoring like an ordinary man rendered me witless. Render means made or melt down, made him witless, foolish. One cannot think clearly what to do, what not to do, because he was thinking that something extraordinary thing must he will see, but he could not. The writer, he intentionally separated from his friend to see Babu Veer Kishore from a very close distance. He came near the window of the room where the minister was taking rest, but he was very disappointed to see that the minister was snoring like an ordinary man. Through the window, I had observed that the minister's bald head rested on a gigantic pillow while his white cap lay on a table near his bed. Through the window from where little Manoj Das was looking through, had looked that the minister's bald head, the minister was having an bald head. Bald means scalp lacking hair, the part of the head where there is no hair, less hair. so it was looking like an egg, had rested on a huge pillow. Gigantic means very huge pillow, while his white cap, lay on a table near his bed. The minister was having a white cap. He was wearing a white cap when he had came to the village. So he kept the cap on the table near his bed. Now I saw the notoriously irresponsible Jhandu. Look at this Jhandu, this character. Jhandu is a monkey. Bounced towards the window like a bolt from the blue and picked up the cap. Look at the words in this sentence. Now I saw, Manoj Das saw what he saw while he was peeping through the window. Notoriously irresponsible Jhandu. Notoriously means mischievous. Irresponsible means careless. Jhandu, the monkey, who bounced means moved quickly towards the window like a bolt from the blue. Look at this phrase, a bolt from the blue. It means that in an unexpected event is called a bolt from a blue. Out of nowhere, suddenly he came from the window, bounced towards the window and picked up the cap. He picked up the cap of the minister and ran away. Throwing a meaningful glance means looked fixedly. He looked at Manoj Das for a moment and disappeared into the grove. He took the cap and ran into the grove. The grove means the group of trees which was next to the pond. Even when my stupefaction, look at this word, stupefaction, astonishment, surprised, passed, I was unable to shout. The Manoj Das was surprised, but he didn't shout. The reason was that partly because of my deep affection for Jhandu, because he loved Jhandu very much. Knowing that the consequences of his crime could be fatal, knowing that the consequences, the result of the crime which Jhandu has done, he has taken the cap, could be fatal. Fatal means deadly. Difficult situation. He will face difficult situation. It will be deadly to him. And partly for the fear that the minister's snoring might cease, and partly he was frightened that he was enjoying the minister's snoring. It might stop. Cease means stop. The minister will wake up if he will shout. I was in a dilemma. Manoj Das was in a dilemma. Dilemma means difficult situation. As to which I should value more. He did not know what to value more. The great man's cap, the great man's minister's cap, or his snoring, or his sleeping. Because he was enjoying the snoring of the minister. The monkey took the minister's cap and ran away into the grove, which Manoj Das only saw. Nobody knew about the incident. Seeing the unusual incident, Manoj Das was speechless. He could not understand what to do, what not to do, because he had never expected such type of situation. Thus, he was speechless. In the upcoming part, we will see what was the reaction of the innocent villagers, say Maharana, the entourage, the people who had followed Babu Veer Kishore to the village, when they found that the cap of the minister was missing. They all are surprised that how this incident happened. They were all frightened that how Babu Veer Kishore will react when he will know about the missing cap. There are many difficult words here. Go through it carefully and write the meaning. In the next video, we will continue the story. Till then, take care. and have a nice day.